Welcome, nature lovers, to a journey into the heart of our planet's most breathtaking wilderness. Today, we're leaving the hustle and bustle behind to explore the untamed beauty of the world's most incredible forests and meet the magnificent creatures who call them home. From the dense emerald canopies of the Amazon to the ancient misty woodlands of the Pacific Northwest, these forests are the lungs of our world, teeming with life and mystery. So grab your virtual binoculars and let's step into a realm where nature reigns supreme. Our first stop is the legendary Amazon rainforest, a sprawling, vibrant world that covers a staggering portion of South America. Imagine a place so vast it creates its own weather. Here, the air is thick with the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers. Sunlight struggles to pierce the dense canopy, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow on the forest floor. The soundtrack is a constant symphony of buzzing insects, chirping birds, and the haunting calls of howler monkeys echoing through the trees. It is a world of giants, from the towering K-pop trees that scrape the sky to the colossal lily pads that float on tranquil backwaters. Every leaf, every stream, every creature plays a vital role in this intricate web of life. It's not just a forest. It's a living, breathing superorganism. And living within this green labyrinth are some of the most fascinating animals on Earth. Look closely, and you might spot a sloth moving in super slow motion, a master of energy conservation. Or perhaps the brilliant flash of a macaw's feathers as a flock takes flight, painting the sky with strokes of red, blue, and yellow. Down below, the elusive jaguar, the powerful ruler of this domain, silently stalks its prey. Its spotted coat is the perfect camouflage, allowing it to move like a ghost through the undergrowth. This is a predator of immense strength and grace, a symbol of the wild, untamed spirit of the Amazon. Every corner of this rainforest holds a secret, a new discovery waiting for those who are patient enough to look and listen. Now, let's journey across the globe to the dense jungles of Asia, the domain of another majestic big cat, the tiger. Picture the Sundarbans, a massive mangrove forest on the coast of India and Bangladesh. It's a unique and challenging environment, a world of tidal rivers and muddy islands. And it's here that the Royal Bengal tiger roams. These are not just any tigers. They are powerful swimmers, perfectly adapted to their semi-aquatic home. Seeing one emerge from the water, its iconic orange and black stripes dripping, is a sight that will stay with you forever. The tiger is a solitary hunter, an apex predator that commands respect. Its presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. When a tiger thrives, the entire forest thrives. They are a symbol of raw power and breathtaking beauty, the undisputed kings and queens of their jungle kingdom. But the world's forests aren't just in the tropics. Let's travel to the vast, cold expanse of the boreal forest, also known as the taiga. This immense belt of coniferous trees stretches across North America, Europe, and Asia. It's a quieter, more solemn world than the jungle. Here the air is crisp and clean, scented with pine and fir. In winter, a thick blanket of snow transforms the landscape into a silent, magical wonderland. The silence is profound, broken only by the crunch of snow underfoot or the distant cry of a wolf. In summer, the forest awakens, with wildflowers carpeting the ground and millions of migratory birds returning to nest. It's a forest of extremes, of harsh winters and short, vibrant summers, and the life here is resilient and tough. The animals of the taiga are just as hardy as the forest itself. This is the home of the mighty grizzly bear, a symbol of wilderness and strength. Imagine watching one forage for berries or fish for salmon in a rushing river. It's a display of pure, untamed power. The forests also shelter vast herds of caribou, their migrations shaping the landscape. And then there are the stealthy predators, like the lynx, with its tufted ears and huge snowshoe-like paws, perfectly designed for hunting in deep snow. These creatures are survivors, masters of living in one of the planet's most challenging environments. They remind us of the incredible adaptability of life and the stark, rugged beauty of the northern wilds. From the taiga, we venture south to the temperate rainforests of North America's Pacific coast. These are ancient worlds, home to some of the oldest and tallest trees on Earth, like the colossal redwoods and Sitka spruce. Walking among these giants is a truly humbling experience. It feels like stepping into a natural cathedral. Moss hangs from every branch like green velvet, and giant ferns cover the forest floor. The air is cool and damp, filled with the sound of dripping water and the calls of unseen birds. It's a mystical, enchanting place where you half expect to see creatures from folklore emerge from the mist. These forests are storehouses of carbon and biodiversity, vital ecosystems that have stood for millennia. The life here is just as magical as the forest itself. This is the realm of the spirit bear, or Kermode bear, a rare subspecies of the black bear that has a white or cream-colored coat. It's not an albino, but the result of a unique recessive gene. Seeing a spirit bear against the green backdrop of the forest is a truly spiritual experience, a ghostly and beautiful vision. These forests are also crucial for salmon, which return from the ocean to spawn in the very streams where they were born. Their journey is an epic struggle, and they are a vital food source for bears, eagles, and wolves, connecting the ocean to the heart of the forest. The cycle of life and death is on full display here, a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. Now, let's cross the ocean one last time to the savannas and woodlands of Africa. While we often think of open grasslands, these landscapes are dotted with acacia trees and dense riverine forests that are critical for wildlife. This is the world we often see in documentaries, a land of epic scale and high drama. And at the top of the food chain is the undisputed king, the lion. Unlike the solitary tiger, lions are social cats living in prides. The roar of a male lion rolling across the plains at dawn or dusk is one of the most evocative sounds in nature. It's a declaration of territory, a show of power that sends a shiver down your spine. Watching a pride interact lionesses hunting cooperatively while cubs play under the watchful eye of the adults is a fascinating glimpse into a complex social world. These African ecosystems are a theater of life. Giraffes gracefully browse the tops of acacia trees, their long necks allowing them to reach food no one else can. Elephants, the gentle giants, move in family herds, their deep intelligence and emotional bonds evident in every interaction. They shape the very landscape they live in, creating paths and clearing vegetation. And everywhere you look, there's a constant dance between predator and prey, from the lightning-fast cheetah to the vast herds of wildebeest on their great migration. It's a raw, unfiltered look at the circle of life, a powerful and sometimes harsh, but always awe-inspiring spectacle. Every animal has a role, every day is a struggle for survival, and the result is one of the most dynamic and thrilling ecosystems on our planet. Exploring these incredible forests and meeting their wild inhabitants is a profound experience. It reminds us that we are part of a much larger, more complex world. These ecosystems are not just beautiful. They are essential for the health of our planet. They provide us with clean air and water, regulate our climate, and are home to a staggering amount of the world's biodiversity. But they are also fragile. Deforestation, climate change, and poaching are serious threats that endanger these priceless natural treasures and the creatures that depend on them. It's our collective responsibility to protect them, to ensure that future generations can also marvel at the sight of a tiger in the jungle or listen to the roar of a lion on the savannah. We must be the guardians of this wild heritage. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the world's most amazing natural realms. We hope it has inspired you to appreciate the wonder and beauty that surrounds us. There are so many more stories to tell, so many more corners of the wild to explore. If you enjoyed this adventure and want to see more, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an expedition. Let us know in the comments which forest or animal you'd like us to feature next. Until then, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember to cherish the wild heart of our beautiful planet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.